In this question, you're given a quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 27 is equal to 0. If one root of this equation is the square of the other, find the value of b. Some sort of relation is given in terms of the roots of this equation. We know that this equation has two roots. Some sort of relation is given between these two. So this is a general type of question. Whenever you're given some information regarding the roots, we usually use the equations of the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now, how do we do this? First, if one root is given as square of the other, so let us assume that one root is alpha, the other root is alpha square. If one root is alpha, the other root is alpha square. Now, you have this equation. What is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus alpha square. The sum of the roots is given as minus of x coefficient by x square coefficient. It is minus b. And what is the product of the roots? Alpha times alpha square is equal to c by a. It is 27. So from these two equations, can you get the value of alpha? So alpha cube is equal to 27. This implies alpha is equal to 3. Alpha cube is equal to 27. This implies alpha is equal to 3. Now you got the value of alpha. You just need to substitute this alpha in the first equation. So this implies minus b is equal to 3 plus 3 square. That is 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. This implies b is equal to minus 12. Hence you got the value of b. Thank you.